motto, power delivered by 20 ohm resistance. Okay, our motto, we have focus on what is the power corresponding to 20 ohm resistance. Okay, now how can I start this question? First of all, dot polarity is given, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so if you consider that is V1 voltage, that is V2 voltage, that is V3 voltage, and that is V4 voltage. Clear? Very simple. Now, and here that is I1, here I2, and here I3. Clear? I1, I2, I3 current. And suppose that is Ix, that is Iy, and here that is Iz. And this one is take reference node. If you take reference node, that is voltage across this one is 0. So voltage across at that point 1, that is V1, and voltage across that point, that is V4. Why? Because of this voltage is 0. So this voltage is V4, or you can say that is 0.4. Okay, apply KCL. Now starting, apply KCL. Before apply KCL, first of all apply KCL at node 1. KCL at node 1. Okay, now 200 minus V1, that is, sorry, first of all written Ix, this is equal to Iy plus I1. So Ix is 200 minus V1 divided by 10. Iy is V1 minus V4. This is V1 and this is V4 because of this voltage is 0. Okay, so that point is V4. That point voltage is V4. Divide by 40 plus I1. Okay, now that is, if multiply by 4 in both sides, that is 800 minus 4V1, that is V1 minus V4 plus 40I1. Clear? After that 800, this will equal to, that is 5V1 minus V4 plus 40I1. Clear? Now again, if you divide by 4, then we got 200. This will equal to 1.25 V1 minus 0.25 V4 plus I1. That is equation number 1. Clear? This is the equation number 1. Now again apply KCL at this node. Iy, this will equal to I3 plus Iz. What about Iy? Iy is written as V1 minus V4 divided by how much? 40 ohm I3. What about Iz? Iz is written as V4 minus 0 divided by 20 ohm. So if you solve this, multiply both sides in 40. So we got V1 minus V4, this will be equal to 40 I3 plus 2 V4. So finally V1, this will be equal to V4, 3 times V4 plus 40 I3, that is equation number 2. Okay, this is the equation number 2. And if you apply KVL in this node, in this loop, we got this is plus minus V2 plus 50 I2 plus V3, this will be equal to 0. So V2, this will be equal to V3 plus 50 into I2. Okay, this is equation number 3. So from 1 to 3 we got corresponding to 1 to 3. So finally V1 is 200, this will be equal to 1.25, sorry 200, this will be equal to minus 0.25 into V4 plus I1, that is equation number 1. Now V1 this will be equal to 3 V4 plus 40 I3. Okay, V1 this will be equal to like this one, and V2 this will be equal to V3 plus 50 I2, equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. Now after this calculation, I know that V2 by V1 this will be equal to is written as 2 by 1, negative or positive decided by, I have already discussed what is dot polarity. If dot polarity is opposite, it means negative. So minus 2 V1, and V3 V4 dot polarity are same though, so V4 by V3 is written as 3 by 1. So V4 is written as 3 times V3. Okay, or you know that V3 this will be equal to V4 by 3, and V2 this will be equal to minus 2 V1. That is equation number 4, and that is 5. Okay, now what about current? Now corresponding to I1, direction of I1 like this one, and I2 like this one. Okay, I2 by I1, direction of this current is entering, and this current is also entering, corresponding to dot convention. So this one is negative. So this one is negative. 1 by 2. So I1 is written as minus 2 times of I2. That is equation number 6. Okay, now here dot polarity corresponding I2 downward and I3 downward, both are downward, though both are incoming. So I3 is incoming, I4 is coming, I3 is coming and I2 is also coming. So again this one is negative, 1 by 3. So I2 this will be equal to minus 3 times I3. Clear? That is equation number 7. Okay, our motto: determine V1 V4 power P this will be equal to V4 or P this will be equal to 20 into I3 square. Okay, so how can determine? If you V1 and I1, value of V1 and I1 in the terms of V4, putting in question number 1, then find out V4. After that V4 we got the answer. Okay, so how can achieve this? Clear? From 2 and 3 equation, V2 this will be equal to 3 plus 50 I2. If this value put here and this value also put here, this will be equal to minus 2 times of 3 V4 plus 40 I3. Clear? V3 is also written as V4 by 3, and this value 6 plus V4. Clear? Now this one minus 50 I2, and this one is minus 40 into 2, that is 80 I3. Clear? Now I2 in the terms of I3, 3 times, that is minus 3 into minus 50, that is 1 plus 150 I3, and minus 80 I3. So we got 150 minus 80, 150 that is 70 I3. So I3 is written as This one is 19V4. 19V4 divided by 3 into 70. So we got 19 divided by 210 into V4. Okay. I3 in the terms of V4, that is 19 V4 divided by 210. Clear? Now first of all make it. If V2 this equal to, if this V2 put here, then we got I1 in the terms of I3, if that is 6 I3. Now 6 I3 is 19 divided by 210 V4. So I1 is also we got in the terms of V4, this is 210 and V4. Clear? I1 in the terms of V4. Now V1 in the terms of V4. How can determine V1 in the terms of V4? Clear? First of all, now clear? I3 is clear. I3 in the terms of V4, I1 in the terms of V4. 6 into I1 this is equal to minus 2 times, so 6 into I3 and 6 into like this one. So finally clear I1 and I3. Now our motto next target is if V1 in the terms of V4, how can determine? V1 is equal to 3 into V4 plus 40 into I3. I3 in the terms of V4, that is 19 divided by 210 V4. Okay, so V1 is equal to okay 6 363 plus 19 into 4 76 divided by 21 V4. Okay, so finally plus 63 139 divided 21 V4. Okay, V1 we got in the terms of V4, all value put in equation number 1. 200 this is equal to 1.25 V1, that is 139 divided by 210 V4. Okay, minus 0.25 V4 plus actually here 10 I1. Okay, silly mistake here. 40 divided by 4, this is one is 800 something 5, that is V4 and that is 40. So if divided by 4, then silly mistake here, that's why. So 10 into I1 is in the terms of V4, that is 19 210 V4. Okay, so if this one is cancel out. Now how can resolve it? First of all, 139 divided by 21, that is like this one, into 1.25, so that is 8.2738 minus 0.25 plus 19 into 6 like this one divided by 21, we got 5.428 into V4. Okay, plus 8.2738 like this one minus 0.25. So what about V4? V4 is 200 divided by 13.452. Okay, so 200 divided by 13.452, that is 14 point something, 14.8. We got 14.867, or you can say this 14.87 volt. Okay, so what about power? Power is V4. V4 means 14.87 to the whole square divided by 20. So finally we got like this one again, that is 11.05 watt. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Make it. One silly mistake, then all finish. Okay, so we do very carefully. Okay, make it.